Hi everyone, I'm back with an exciting news, and this is about resource map. It is a new feature that has been enabled by AWS and it was really required, at least I think so. So without waiting much, let us see what it is and how it works. All you need to do is go to your AWS console login and log into your account, and in resources just look for VPC, or maybe you can search. Once you are in VPC section, just go into your VPC section, and here, if not selected, please select the VPC you want to look for, and within that you will have a tab called resource map. If you click on it, you see an information block introducing the VPC resource map. This helps you to visualize the resources in your VPC. It shows VPC, subnet, route table, internet gateway, net gateways, gateway endpoint. The solid line represent relationship between the resources. As you can see here, there are lines. These are solid lines which indicate relationship between these resources, and dotted lines represent network traffic to route gateways. As you can see here, these are the dotted lines, and this feature is under development, but it will be helpful for you to understand what all subnets you have and how they are associated with route table. Previously what you used to do is, to see subnet association, you need to click on each subnet and check which route table is associated with it and so on. But now you have this beautiful view where you have your subnet id, and you can see that this is connected and the traffic is going through this particular internet gateway, going through this particular gateway going through this particular internet gateway. So if you have more route table, you will see here, and more if you have net gateways available, you will also see here. So it's really helpful. And one of the use case you can think of is, you can analyze your current VPC, and you can architect or re-architect your current VPC. You can analyze what all subnets you have and how they are associated with route tables, and accordingly you may want to modify it. Since this feature is under development, we don't have much detail as of now, but stay in touch and we will explore this more. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.